Hi, in this video I'm going to give an overview of an RCA to HDMI converter. It's available with low cost small parcel shipping directly from freetv.ie. So when you buy the product, what you're going to get is this little box, and inside of it we're going to have two products. We're going to have a charging cable that's charged off a USB, normally just powered directly off a USB port on a set-top box. And then we have this unit here which has an RCA input on it, and it has a HDMI output on it, okay? So technically it's quite strange what you're doing here, because normally what you have is a downscaler where you have a certain resolution, you can drop to a lower resolution. And what it's doing here is it's allowing you to take a lower resolution and push it to a higher resolution effectively. So there's a certain amount of trickery in terms of what it does here, and this is why this is a product that we've been asked for thousands of times. It isn't on the market, and when we saw it initially we said it can't work. We brought in a sample and it does work, and it actually worked quite well. And seeing is believing, because I'm going to show it to you working there now. So what I have right here now is I have a combo box here, and this HDMI output is running from here into the television, okay? So it's working perfectly on HDMI. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to disconnect this cable. We've no output now, and I'm going to try to take an output from the RCA and run it to the television. Now the reason that this would be difficult with this television is, for instance, that would be reasonably typical, is there's no RCA input on it, or no SCART input, could be either. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to run the cables out here. So remember, we have yellow, white and red. So we have audio left and right and image here, okay, coming out. So I just plug this in here. So now what we have is we have the first part of it. So we have the RCA lead. So RCA is basically old analog output here from the box. So what we want to do now is we're going to power this particular unit. So I'm just going to get the lead that came with it. I'm going to push this in here. And now we have the power lead here. So this unit is now powered. So it needs a certain amount of power to do what it's going to do. And what it's hopefully going to do now is it's going to have successfully converted it here into a HDMI output here. So I'm just going to come along and test, does this work? Push it back in. Just give it a minute here. Boom, it works. And actually, to my eye, when I'm looking at it here, the HDMI resolution running directly to it and running through this, I can't see a picture different quality on it. So this is actually a spectacularly successful product for us. This is just brilliant. We've only got this in recently here, but we bought a couple of hundred of these, and the reason we did, even the initial order, is I just know from past demand this will sell. Price point on it's great, and because it's a neat little pack, we can offer low cost shipping on it. So that's it anyway, an overview of the RCA, the HDMI converter, available directly from freetv.ie.